going to do a quick tutorial on God Bless Texas, which is a song and line dance that's been around forever. There's lots of different versions of this one. This is one that one of my students taught me, and I actually think it's the easiest for beginners. So I'll try out my new cowboy hat. This one is perfect. So anyway, okay, so I'm going to start teaching with my back to you just because it's easier to follow along. So this one is going to start, and normally we have something in line dance called a K step where you're kind of making a K on the floor. This one starts on the left, which is a bit unusual, so it's kind of a reverse K step. So anyway, but what all it is we're going to start facing this way. We're going to step a little bit angled this way, so we step out with our left foot and bring our right foot together. Then we're going to step back with our right foot and bring our left to meet it. And then we're going to do the same thing going back to this corner. So again, making kind of a reverse K. And then we're going to step out and then step back. So it looks like, so step left, bring the right to meet it, step right, bring the left to meet it, step left, bring your right foot in, then right, bring the left foot in. Okay, so it's just one though. And then the next part, you're going to stomp left, right. So stomp left, stomp right. And then you're going to slap your hip, your left hip, then slap your right hip. And then you kind of more slap your butt. Then you do like left, right. And then you're going to just swivel, right? Or you can right, left, or left, right, whatever feels comfortable for you. So then that whole part, it's the K step. So the left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, hip, hip, butt, butt, swivel, swivel. Okay? And then we're going to just do a grapevine to the right and a grapevine to the left. So then we just did the swivel, swivel, then grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. So grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. And then we're going to do a quick triple step to the front. Sometimes people say shuffle. So just a quick right, left, right. And I showed that from the side just so you could see what my feet were doing. So it's right, left, right. So we're on our right foot. And then we're going to step on our left and turn a half turn to our right. So step left, turn right. And then we're going to do the same thing but on our left foot. Left, right, left, step right, turn. Okay, so right, left, right, step, turn, left, step, turn. Okay, so, and then we are just about done. Okay, so then starting from the beginning, it is the reverse K step. So stomp, stomp, hip, hip, butt, butt, swivel, swivel, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, right, step, turn, left, left. Then we're gonna step, you step on your right foot, and then it's a touch, okay? So one more time. So from that part, it's the right, step, turn, left, step, touch. I'm sorry if I mentioned that you're turning at that point. That one stays forward at this point. Okay, so the whole routine, and then I'll do it with the wall changes. Okay, so then this one is the K step. So left, right, left, right, left, stomp, stomp, hip, hip, butt, butt, swivel, swivel, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, right, step, turn, left, step, touch. And this is just a 2-wall dance. So the wall changes in this one is really just facing forward and back. So then we would start again. So then it's the K step. Stomp, stomp, hip, hip, butt, butt, swivel, swivel, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, right, step, turn, left, step, touch. Then stomp, stomp, hip, hip, butt, butt, swivel, swivel, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, right, step, turn, left, step, touch. So this is a great dance for beginners to start with because there's really only 2 walls. You don't have to worry about all 4 walls. So that's one reason why I love this dance. So I'm gonna go ahead and also post a video on the channel where I do the dance to music. I'll start out with that one, calling out the steps at the beginning, and then I'll stop and leave you on your own. So if you find this video helpful, I would love it if you subscribed.